this whole term which has x as variable will be multiplied with derivative of x with respect to y, that is dx by dy. So hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. I am Chetan and in this video I am going to explain you the solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end, and if you have any doubt during explanation you can share it in the comment box or DM me on my Instagram handle. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. So without any further delay, let's start solving the given question. First, let us read this and understand what is given and what we have to find out. Find derivative of the inverse function of the following function. So this is the given function, y is equal to sin x minus 2 plus x square. And we have to find derivative of its inverse function. So inverse function of this y is equal to f of x is equal to f inverse of y. So we write this given function in terms of y. And then we find the derivative of inverse function, that is dx by dy. And we have been asked to calculate value of derivatives of inverse function at the point indicated against them. So we have to substitute this x is equal to 2 in the derivative of inverse function, that is dx by dy, and find its value at x is equal to 2, which is our final answer. So in this way we approach the given question. Now how to apply this approach? First I will write this solution and note down the given equation, which is y is equal to sin x minus 2 plus x square. This is given to us. Now we have to find derivative of inverse function of this given function. So I will differentiate this given function with respect to y, so that I will get the derivative of its inverse function. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to y is dy by dy. Derivative of sin x minus 2 is cos x minus 2 multiplied by derivative of x minus 2. Derivative of x minus 2 is, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of minus 2 is 0, plus derivative of x square is 2x. Now this x is function of y, so this whole term which has x as variable will be multiplied with derivative of x with respect to y, that is dx by dy. In this way we differentiate the given function with respect to y. I hope you have understood how we differentiate with respect to y. Now I will simplify this further. What I will get, this dy will get cancelled and I will be left with 1. This 1 minus 0 will give me 1, and this 1 multiplied by cos x minus 2 will give me cos x minus 2 plus this 2x as it is multiplied by dx by dy. So derivative of x with respect to y is 1 upon 2x plus cos x minus 2. Now we have to find the value of derivative of inverse function at x is equal to 2. So put x is equal to 2 in this equation. Then what I will get, dx by dy at x is equal to 2 is 1 upon 2 inside the bracket 2 plus cos of 2 minus 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2 2s are 4 plus cos 2 minus 2 will be cos 0, which is equal to 1 upon 4 plus cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore dx by dy at x is equal to 2 is 1 upon 5. So in this way we have find out the value of derivative of inverse function at the point indicated against it, which is equal to 1 upon 5. I hope you have understood each and every step in this solution. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram handle. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.